Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, exercise number 1, problem number 8. Question number 8. The given problem is, a class teacher has the following attendance record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was present out of 56 days in a term. Number of days 35 to 38, 38 to 41, 41 to 44, 44 to 47, 47 to 50, 50 to 53, 53 to 56. Number of students 1, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, 11. Here we need to find mean number of days a student was present. Means we need to find the mean. Here we are using direct mean method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. First method, this is direct mean method. So direct mean method, already we know the formula. Mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. So fi means respective class frequencies, xi equal to class marks. So class marks, how we have to get? The average of lower limit and upper limit only we need to take. Xi equal L plus U by 2. So already I took the table. In the table, what is given in the data I written? Number of days we are taking as a class intervals, number of students we are taking as a frequency, and class marks and fi xi. These two I took extra. Now we need to find class mark. So class mark, how we have to get? L plus U by 2. L means lower limit, U means upper limit. 35 plus 38. 35 plus 38 is 73 by 2. 2 table to cancel. 2 1 are 2. 2 3 are 6. 1 remained. Means it is 13. 2 6 are 12. Means 1 remained. 0.5. 36.5. Next class, 38 plus 41. 38 plus 41 is 79 by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 3 are 6. And 1 remained. 2 9 are 18. 1 remained. 2 5 are 10. Next class, 41 is lower limit, 44 is upper limit. 41 plus 44, 85 by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 4 are 8. Completed here. 2 2 are 4. Means 1 remained. 0.25 are 10. Next class interval, 44 to 47. Lower limit is 44. Upper limit is 47. 44 plus 47 is 91 by 2. 91 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 45s are 90. 2 5s are 10. Means 45.5. Next, 47 plus 50 class interval. 47 plus 50 is 97 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remained. 2 8s are 16. 1 remained. 2 5s are 10. Next class, 50 to 53 class interval. Lower limit is 50. Upper limit is 53. 50 plus 53 is 103 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. And 3 is there. 2 1s are 2. Means 1 remained. 2 5s are 10. Means 51.5. Last class interval, 53 to 56. 53 plus 56 is 109 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. And here 9. Means 2 4s are 8. 1 remained. 2 5s are 10. Now we got the here class marks, we got it. Now we need to find fi and xi. So fi means frequencies, xi means class marks. 1 into 36.5 is 36.5. Next, 3 into 39.5 is 118.5. Next, 4 into 42.5 is 170.0. Next, Fi is 4, Xi is 45.5. That is 4 into 45.5 is 182.0. Next, Fi is 7, Xi is 48.5. 7 into 48.5 is 339.5. Next, 10 into 51.5 is 515.0. Next, last class frequency is 11, Xi is 54.5. So 11 into 54.5 is 599.5. Now we need to find sigma Fi Xi. Means we need to add this all 36.5 plus 118.5 plus 170.0, 182.0 plus 339.5 plus 515.0 plus 599.5. This total we are adding means we are getting 1961 we are getting. Next here sigma Fi also you have to write. Sigma Fi means all frequencies we need to add. 1 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 4 plus, 7 plus, 10 plus, 4, 11. That is 40 we are getting. Now here you can write it. Sigma Fi Xi equal 1961. Sigma Fi equal 40. That equal sigma Fi Xi. Sigma Fi Xi value 1961 by sigma Fi value is 40. Now we need to take the division. 40 table time taking. 41 is 40, 42 is 80, 43 is 44 is 160. 6 and 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, here 1 as it is. 49 are 360. Here 361 minus 360 is 1. You can take the point. Point taking means here we can take 0. And one more 0 you have to take. Here 0. 42 is 80. Means 49.02 we are getting. So direct to mean method in we are getting the mean is 49.02. We used the formula mean x bar equal sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi is the formula. Now second method is that is assumed mean method. So assumed mean method mean formula mean x bar equal a plus sigma Fi dA by sigma Fi is the formula. So A means here class mark 2 we are assuming one value. Fi means respective class interval, class frequencies. DA means we use the formula Xi minus A. Sigma Fi as usual we know some of the frequencies we need to take. Already I took the box. So in the box I written number of days we are taking as a class intervals, number of students it is frequencies, and class marks dA equal Xi minus A, Fi dA I took in the table. Now first we need to find class marks. First class mark how we have to get Xi equal L plus U by 2. L means lower limit, that is 35. U means that is 38. 35 plus 38. So 35 plus 38 is 73 by 2. Now we have to cancel 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 1 remain, 2 6 are 12, 1 remain, point means it is 10, 2 5 are 10. So first class marks we got it here 36.5. Now we can find the value of H. H value you have to find height of the class. So any two successive class intervals difference we need to take. So 38 minus 35. 38 minus 35 is 3. So H value we got here 3. So this 3 you can add to first class mark, we are getting the next class mark. 35.5 plus 3 is 39.5. 39.5 plus 3 is 42.5. 42.5 plus 3 is 45.5. 45.5 plus 3 is 48.5. 48.5 plus 3 is 51.5. 51.5 plus 3 is 54.5. So here we got the class marks, we got it. Now we need to find the deviations. DI equal xi minus a. So xi means class marks only. A, here we can assume any class mark we can assume. So here I am assuming this 48.5 I am taking as A. A equal here 48.5. Now we need to find the deviations. Di equal xi minus a. So xi means 36.5 minus a value is 48.5. 36.5 minus 48.5 is minus 12. Next xi is 39.5 minus a is 48.5. 39.5 minus 48.5 is minus 9. Next xi is 42.5 minus a value is 48.5. 42.5 minus 48.5 is minus 6. Next xi is 45.5 minus a is 48.5. So 45.5 minus 48.5 is minus 3. Next class mark is 45.5 minus 45.5 a value. 45.5 minus 45.5 is 0. Next 51.5 minus 48.5. 51.5 minus 48.5 value, we are getting 3. Last class mark is 54.5 minus a value is 48.5. 54.5 minus 48.5 is, that is 6 we are getting. Now we need to find Fi and Di. Fi means frequencies, Di means deviations. 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. 3 into minus 9 is minus 27. 4 into minus 6 is minus 24. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. 7 into 0 is 0. 10 into 3 is 30. 11 into 6 is 66. Now we have to find sigma Fi Di value we need to find. So Fi Di value means this all Fi Di's we need to add. Minus 12, minus 27, minus 24, minus 12. This all minus we are adding means minus 75. This is plus 30 plus 90, 66. 30 plus 66 is 96. So 96 to 75 subtracting means we are getting 21. So sigma Fi Di value we got it here 21. Now we can take sigma Fi. Sigma Fi means 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11. This value we are getting 40. Now this all values we need to apply in the formula, we are getting that answer. So here what we got it here, sigma Fi Di. Sigma Fi Di value we got it 21. Sigma Fi value is 40 and A value how much we took? 48.5 we took. Now A mean x bar equal A plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi is the formula. A means 48.5 plus sigma Fi Di. Sigma Fi Di value is 21 by 40. Now we need to take the division here. 48.5 plus here 21 we can divide with 40. it is not going means we can take the point. 45 is 200, 0, 0, 0, here 1. Already we took the point means take one more 0. 42 is 80 means we can take 0.52 we are getting. 48.5 plus 0.52 is 49.02. In assumed mean method, we got the answer is 49.02. So assumed mean method we used the formula A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi is the formula. Now third method, that is step deviation method. In step deviation method, we know the formula mean x bar equal A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H is the formula. So here A means here we are taking the class mark, we are assuming one value. Fi means respective class frequencies. Ui equal, we know the formula, Ui equal xi minus A by H, and H equal height of the class. Any two successive class intervals, difference we need to take, lower limit either upper limit. So I am taking first two class intervals only. 38 minus 35. 38 minus 35 is, that is 3. Which value we got it here? 3. Now already took the table. In the table number of days we are taking as a frequency, we are taking as a class intervals, and number of students we are taking as a frequency, class marks, ui equal xi minus A by H, and Fi ui I took in the table. So first we need to find class marks, we need to find. Class marks, how we have to get? Xi equal L plus U by 2. L means lower limit and upper limit. So lower limit is 35, upper limit is 38. 35 plus 38, that is 73. 73 by 2. So 73 by 2 means 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 1 remain, 2 6 are 12, 1 remain, 0.25 are 10. Means first class marks we got it here 36.5. 36.5, you can add the height of the class, we are getting the next class mark. 36.5 plus 3 is 39.5. 39.5 plus 3 is 42.5. 42.5 plus 3 is 45.5. 45.5 plus 3 is 48.5. 48.5 plus 3 is 51.5. 51.5 plus 3 is 54.5. Now we need to take ui. Ui equal xi minus A by H. So xi means in the class marks we are taking, and A value in the class mark anyone you can assume. I am assuming this class mark only. Previous in assumed mean method what I took, that one only I am taking. So 48.5 I am taking as A. Now xi minus A by H means 36.5 minus 48.5 by H value is 3, that equal minus 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are, that equal minus 4 we are getting, minus 4. Next class interval 39.5 minus 48.5 by 3. 39.5 minus 48.5 is minus 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are, means we are getting minus 3. Next class mark is 42.5 minus 48.5 by 3. 42.5 minus 48.5 is minus 6 by 3, that equal 3 ones are 3 twos are, that equal minus 2 we are getting. Next class mark is 45.5. Xi value is 45.5 minus 48.5 by 3. That subtraction means we are getting minus 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, means we are getting minus 1. Next xi is 48.5 minus A is 48.5 by 3. 48.5 minus 48.5 value is 0. 0 by 3. 0 by 3 value we can get 0. Next class mark is 51.5 minus A value is 48.5 by 3. So 51.5 minus 48.5 value, we are getting 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are, that equal 1. Last class mark, that is 54.5. So 54.5 minus 48.5 by 3. 54.5 minus 48.5 is 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So we are getting UI equal to 2 we can get. Here A value 48.5. The beside class you can take 0. Upper values you can take -1, -2, -3, -4 like that we need to take. Lower values we need to take positive symbols, means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like that we are getting. Now we can find Fi and Ui. Fi means 1, frequency 1 and -4, that is -4. 3 into -3, that is -9. 4 into -2, that is -8. 4 into -1, that is -4. 7 into 0, that is 0. 10 into 1, 10. 11 into 2, that is 22. We need to find sigma Fi Ui also. -4, -9, -8, -4. This all minus symbols we are adding means we are getting -25 plus 10 plus 22, that is 32. So -25 plus 32 is 7 we are getting. Now here sigma Fi equal, sigma Fi means this all we need to add. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11, that is we are getting 40. Now here we need to apply in the formula this values, all values we need to apply in the formula. So here sigma Fi Ui equal 7, sigma Fi equal 40, A value we took 48.5. So mean x bar equal A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. So A means 48.5 plus sigma Fi Ui means 7 by 40 into H value. H value is 3, that equal 48.5 plus 7 into 3 is 21 by 40, that equal 48.5 plus 7 by 21 value. Now only before only we got it. In assumed mean method 0.52 we got it, that equal 48.5 plus 0.52 is 49.02. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you.